Good day everyone, I am Mariani Nanong Angkaliano and we are the BS Criminology students of GHCSC Dumiag campus, and now we are going to interview some of the BSISM students in our department regarding the theory of William Sheldon, which is endomorph, mesomorph, and ectomorph. And now I would like to introduce my fellow students.
I am Michelle R. Alardi. I am Algin Joy Sibilhano.
I am Alin Bayaya. I am Gapo Jan Ayan Kate. I am Louis D. Sinadhan. I am John Vincent Sarita. Size really matter. Committing a crime.
Good morning, sir. We are second year BS Cream. What's your name, sir?
I am Russell Cortez Pipito, BSISM intern.
Yes, sir. We have a question with you, sir. Is the size really matter or on a committing crime?
No.
Why do you say so, sir?
So, ang kuan ng imuhang kuan ng body size kay di gyud na siya magmatter para makakommit ka og crime. Kay even kanang kuan ng gamay ka or kan payat or tambo ka, pwede ka makakommit ka crime or makaharm ka sa kuan sa laing nga tawo. So, no gyud akong kuan na ako ang answer sa inyong question.
Thank you kayo, sir.
Good morning, sir. We are criminology student. Now we are conducting an interview for educational purposes only. So, what's your name, sir?
I am John Lim Nicuela and I am BSISM intern.
Here our question is size really matter when committing a crime?
For me, it's a no.
Why did you say so?
In committing crime, size really don't matter because if you have the anger or any circumstances in life, makakommit juga crime if ever nga may makakuha nimo makasala or anything makapasakit sa imong kasing-kasing or emotional damage nimo makakommit juga crime samot na og naglagot juga ng tawana. Mao na ko.
So, thank you, sir, for that answer.
Good morning, sir. We are a criminology student and we are conducting an interview for educational purpose only. Before we continue, what is your name, sir?
Good morning. My name is John Michael Nakila, BSISM 4th year.
This is my question, sir. Does size really matter committing crime?
No. How do you say so, sir? Because, kitang tanang tao, makakumit ng crime. Bisan man o bata ka, gulang, batanon, sa natay kalabot sa usa ka tao. If mahuna-hunaan na to, mahuna-hunaan na to, gautan siya. For example, mahuna tagpatyon to siya, nabuhat din nato na interesado yun kayo ta. Example lang sa mga tabo sa pamilya na nagit sila na dautan niya nabuhat sa mga pero nagunaw kami dautan niya buhaton so namo ko buhat siya. Namatay gitawag nga namatay logod sa sa mga tao kay kita kung makabuhatag sila nang di chance nga mapriso ng gitna, diba? So, katong tubag, dako yung posibilidad niya. Kita tanan ka commit crime. Sa giwang ta, tambok, kapag buwan ka ng tiguang ta o bata, makakommit yung crime. Okay. Isa natay kalagot sa katao. Mawag na akong matubag.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, another question. Sir, do you believe that a person commit a crime because of their capabilities?
No. Kita tanan tao natay kaugalingong kakayahan. Pero naara po na nato kung unsaon nato pagdalaon. Ato pa na ibutang sa sakto or sa dili.
So, sir, this is my question. Does the size of a person is one of the factor in committing a crime?
No. Because kuan kanang dili rason ang kadakon sa lawas sa tao mabuhat sa dautan naana siyang hunahuna kung buhat sa dautan example kung adlaw sa laing adlaw wala na nagbase sa lawas na nagbase na siya sa hunahuna.
Next question, sir. If your status of your life that you have that size of your body, would you commit crime?
No. Okay, bisan pag kuan dako pog nyanin niya akong lawas pero wa man pug ko'y plano mubuhat og dautan kay as a student kaya na ako kontrolon akong ego og kaya na ako kontrolon akong pride nga kamo ako magpaubos if na mga tao nga makasala sa ako og makabuhat og dautan.
So thank you, sir.
So, good
Good day, everyone. I am Marilyn Nano Ancoliano, and this moment, I will conclude and give a closing statement regarding to our interview of some of the BSISM students about the topic, is size really matter in committing a crime? As they perceive, the size of a person does matter in performing criminal act. It could be the capabilities and ability of a person, most especially on how the person think, perceive, and choose to do wrongful act, because all of us know what is wrong and right. It is depend on what path we're walking in. Regarding to them, it is a choice, not a mistake. Even how our body size is, it can control by our mind. That's why we have the ability to control and be patient in terms when someone do a wrongful doing toward us. They all believe that size really don't matter in committing a crime.
So, good day everyone. Good day ma'am. Once again, I am Louis D. Sinadhan, BS Criminology student. Today, I am going to conclude the answer of BISM student about is size really matter when committing crime. So, the first student that we interview, he answer is no because for him, fat or thin is not really matter when committing crime. Because let's say for example, when illegal drugs, the size of the body is doesn't really matter to take that drugs, illegal drugs. So the next person is the next student. His answer also is no because for him, when committing crimes, it depends on the anger of the person. So if you have an anger to another person, there is a possibility that you can commit crime. It is because of your anger. And the next student, his answer also is no because for him, when committing crime, it based on the intent of the person. So let's say for example in robbery crime, the intent of the robbery is to the intent to gain. So therefore, when committing crime is not really matter of the size of the body, the person. So it really based on the intent or mental state of a person. And that's all. Thank you.